Welcome back to my channel. I'm Erin Rowe and I'm here to bring you a walkthrough of this free tracker that I'm offering to you. It is called a Business and Wellness Tracker. Most business owners do incorporate fitness and nutrition aspects into their success, into their day, into their morning routine or their midday break possibly. But how hard is it for you to fit everything you need to do in a day in one little box? It's like impossible. Your business and wellness tracker can be altered. If you don't do business, if you don't do wellness, you can use the boxes for another purpose. But I'm going to walk you through exactly how I fit everything I need to do in a day in one day's box. Let's jump right in. Page 1 is a how-to page. You can read it at your own leisure, but it just lists the 11 significant things that I personally feel should be important enough to write down to be sure you schedule it in. These are your must-dos, at least for me anyway. The next page is just an example. On the bottom here, this is what a day in my life looks like, and right above is just the 11 points so you know what goes where. This is what you print. Now, I tried to make everything fit on one page, but there wasn't enough space. You're just going to print 2 pages no matter what your preference. This is the box preference. This is where in your box you will put what I have mentioned above. The social media things that you will interact with, your personal development for the day. Here you have your majority of your day. I have an appointment after work. I put a little faded space here for you. I then have your power plays and power moves. So this is a must-do for business. 0 interruptions during this time. Again here. And this third one's a little different. You could read more about it, but these 3 things are your must-do business activities for the day, or whatever your goal may be. This is the line that's crucial. Down here we have your daily movement, your yoga, your workout, your gym time, and then your nutrition. Of course, I put 6 meals because that is mandatory for my current schedule. Water intake, sleep, and phone detox time, to give ourselves room to make our imaginations come to life. The next option is just a 30-day at-a-glance, bird's eye view of your month. I created 2 different layouts here. This is the first one because I know we all have our own way of working best, and we want to set ourselves up for success. We want to choose what we know makes us the most productive and the most efficient in the way that we individually work. This is if you prefer to type your hourly information. I have a spot from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. and half hours in between if you want to write out exactly what you need to do if you have that intricate of a day. Again, 2 pages. We have 4 days of the week, 3 days, and a notes section. Let me know what you think in the comments below. To get your free tracker, you're just going to go to myempowerproject.com, and right on the front page there, you put in your email address, your name, hit subscribe, and it will be emailed right to you. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your free tracker. Again, I'm Erin Rowe. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the newest information that I bring to you. Have a fabulous night.